Remember what I said about the automatic bill created on this slab registration? Let's get in on that bundle and hit the blue icon from some slab, bringing me to the bill. The QB bill, automatically created, also can be assessed from the list of bills. We can verify that SlabWare already did all the heavy work. You just need to check the values. Now just hit Save and Sync. Wait for the pop-up and hit Refresh. When you click on Go to QuickBooks, you'll be able to see the important bill. We can also synchronize the field terms of payment. If you have some kind of discount, you can easily add it to your SlabWare system and create this discount on the Option Bill category on QuickBooks. You can use the notes filled from the bill on the SlabWare to explain this discount reason. Alright, checking all the values, all the synchronization is done. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@slabware.com.